Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to be doing another Roblox video. Oh, I am not going to play I'm not going to play any of these games. I'm going to play Mad Murderer this time. Mad Games. Shout out to Mad Studio, for making these awesome games. So if you hear talking in the background, I just got home from school and we have some stuff to do. But I'm trying to make a video now. Sorry about the loud bangs and stuff. I'm just trying to get my controller. There we go. Wait, really? Seriously? Upgrading? I only walked away from this game for one day because I have to go to school. Like, I play it every day after school. I know I'm addicted to this game, and even if it's the holidays, I just get stuck to this computer chair. Which is really bad, because I really need to get out and play, which I do most of the time, because whenever I finish these videos, I go outside and jump on my trampoline for a couple of hours. Well, not hours, but I do it long enough. This kind of sound. I am sorry if it's glitchy. I am going to open my chest. I actually never knew about this. I did know that you could get up here somewhere. I used to do this, and then I would usually just climb up there. But behind this thing, if you go right here, all the way behind it, there's a little vent up here. And if I go right here, it goes right here on the lights. I never actually saw these elevator doors. And if I go up here, it doesn't matter. You can go left or right, but it will still put you in this room. So yeah. There are other things where it puts you. I'm not sure where though. Metal chest. I actually need to get up to 1,500. Metal chest. This is gonna be enough anyway. Damn it, no. I can't spend Robux because I spent it all. Yeah. I'm gonna try and see if I can get up here using the whiteboard. Yeah, boy. So yeah, there's a way to get up here like that, or you can use the vents. I only just figured out those vents yesterday when my camera stopped recording another video. You can also go behind here, but not really much effect. Wait, no. Am I falling? Oh yeah, if you're wondering where I got this knife from, if you buy a Roblox toy called I think it was called the Stars of Roblox, if you redeem that code and play this game, it'll say that you have received the LOL stab knife. So yeah, that's how you get that. That's how you get. I don't play this game very much, that's why I got a default gun. Don't you die? I could have won that. That dude had the same hair. I'm gonna go with this. I don't really know what it says. I have to probably get lower to read what it says, like where my cursor is. So it just teleports you here. Well, not teleports, but drops you here. I really wonder how you get in those. Oh, come on. I want something else. One of my friends just dropped. Please be murderer. Are you serious? Whenever you hear that ding, that means you're innocent. Whenever you hear that, that means you're murderer. And if you hear a gunshot, that means you're sheriff. It's pretty obvious. Give me that coin. No, fine, you can take that coin. I'm gonna take this one. Coin. It feels a bit suspicious. That's the guy who won Dodge or Die. Where is he? Wait, where did he go? Where'd he go? Probably went in here. I'm gonna play this in first person. Someone went in here. No concentrated. They actually went invisible when they went in. That means, wow, that was super. Wait, is this series in the game? Hold on, I'm just checking the server list right now. Like, no, I don't see any of my game. That must be like from a different game or something. Whatever. I thought that said Roblox one was Epic Slayer. Because if you don't know, if you look at the top where my face cam is supposed to be, I don't have a face, but if you look where my face cam is supposed to be, it says the playlist. Oh, you can't go on the roof. That sucks. And I can't get in. Nah. Come on, guys. I need some coins. Share it with the. No, I'm not a very big YouTuber, so that's why people don't like go around me and say like, hey, you're a YouTuber, I know, and then just like hoard me. I heard a knife swing. I think it's the guy with the red hair. I'm gonna go outside. Oh, I found one. Wait, are we allowed to go in the water? No, we're not. Can we go in here? Oh, dude, this is sick. I never knew this was a thing before. I'm not gonna go up there just yet. Hot tub? Oh, the gun. Yeah. I'm not gonna go for the gun today. I'm not trying to get a hero round. Are you serious? Locked off? I'm gonna go back up. It said the gun was dropped. It's that guy. Yes! Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, there's also stairs. Not sure how you open these doors. I'm not sure you can. Maybe you can go inside them. So yeah, there's a door that's green here. I'm probably gonna open it. I don't know. Door over here, the screen. You cannot jump down here. I wish you could. I wish there was like a little secret underneath. Behind, is it? Someone messed up and said behind it. I hate that. I hate Sheriff Madness. Because whenever there's a person like right in front of me, I'm gonna get shot. No matter what, I'm gonna get shot. You see? See, I can never. I only won that. I only won that whole round once. But that was when I was playing on iPad. I'm playing on PC. God. Shut up, dog. Wait, no. I'm stuck. Oh, wait, no. I feel like that's someone's intro because it is. No. I know I said we're gonna play this in first person, but if I get killed or shot from behind, that's my fault. Sup, my dude? Golden Miners. The sheriff and innocent. I'm not sure if the sheriff has to survive. I feel like he could be killing the murderer. No. Are you serious? Of all the things I could have been, I got innocent. Why can't I get up here? If you guys don't know what that sound means, it means the murderer has killed someone. Oh my god, run. It's her. Dude, run. How did she get me? How? I just want a gun, okay? Skip. Are you serious? I don't want knives. I do not want knives. What is this, a gun? Gun? No, guys, I'm gonna use that anyway. My mouse is moving like crazy, so I can't control my Roblox avatar. I'm oh, come on, it interrupted. That person just said I'm murdered. Oh, I thought it was that person, but I forgot I was in first person. I know if you know what? I'm not gonna play in first person. I hate first. Oh my god, sheriff on the loose. Run, run, run. I don't want them to shoot the wrong person, aka me, because I'm the innocent. I'm going murder, 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 murder. Run, 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 run. It's him, it's him, it's him. Run! Quickly! It's him! Wait. It's actually the blue guy. Yes, see? Yes, see? It was. He's boy. Now I spell boy. Apparently I have some pesto. You know now? Wooden chest. Dude, wooden chests aren't really that good. The last time. Free for are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, apparently I have to play this. Yeah, boy.